Hello guys, whatever I'm going to teach you today uh, will be very hard to believe for you actually, but this is a very good news for all of us who love these old Motu Ultralite Firewire only or hybrid audio interfaces which are useless now for these new computers. Anyway, just check this up. On this laptop I have Windows 11 with the latest updates available, okay? And I have these Motu Ultralite sound interfaces. Usually they don't work together because they are designed for Firewire only, alright? But let me show you something. Okay, just I'm connecting my Motu to the computer. Voila. Do you see that? Do you see that, guys? And Motu is working perfect on this Windows computer, which doesn't have any Firewire. So, let me explain you how it works. As you can see in the device manager, now you can see Firewire port, right? And down there you can see Motu. Now I am just shutting down the Motu. Well, in the device manager, the Motu device will disappear, right? But still we have that Firewire port. Where is that from? That Firewire port, let me disconnect that one to show you that it is not inside of the computer. All right, now I am disconnecting it. Okay, see, disappeared, which means this computer doesn't have any Firewire, but instead it has a lightening 3 USB-C type port, okay, in which I connected this USB-C lightning to lightning 2 adapter. See this one? And to that adapter I connected from Firewire to lightning adapter. To this adapter I connected directly from Firewire to the adapter. This is how it works. See, now I connect it. The Firewire port came back, right? Now I'm powering up the Motu Ultralite Traveler, this beautiful sound card. Can you imagine what will this sound card do with this new hardware and new operating system? It is much better than probably any new sound card they produce now in the market. Anyway, let me go to these sound preferences to show you that all right, we have the Motu. Do you see that? Let me collapse it. Do you see all the inputs? Can you believe that? Amazing, right? Oh, there were outputs, sorry. And these are the input. You see that? See? I am disconnecting the power so to show you that they will disappear instantly. Anyway, I wish you love this video, and believe me, all these sound cards, all these three models are working perfect. What I installed is the new driver from Motu's website, which is actually sort of universal driver for all these hybrid and stuff like that interfaces. This is the driver, and all right, Motu audio installer 92178. Okay, thanks for watching. Like it and subscribe it, please. That was all. Good luck, guys. Thank you very much for watching.